Welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show a new enemy that I added to the game. I made this prefab for enemy mine. I've given it a sphere collider, it's just a little sphere, and an enemy mine script. The scale in X, Y, and Z is 0.5. And let's go over to my script and see how this has been made. I gave it a Y speed so it can come down the screen at some speed. And I also attach an explosion that's different than the other explosion that is on the drones right now. It's a little bit bigger, lasts a little bit longer, in hopes to make it scarier to run into a mine. The start function sets the Y speed, and it also disables the renderer so that the mine is invisible. And it will become visible in the update function when it's close enough to the ship. So first of all, the mine gets moved down the screen, Y speed times time.delta time, and then it's going to check for how far away it is from the ship. I have two static functions or variables in the ship script. I have ship position, and I also have ship sensor. So this is basically the equation of a circle here, or a sphere. So I'm going to take the difference between the ship's position and the position of the mine, and I'm going to get the square magnitude of it. And then I need to compare it to the ship sensor squared. And if it is within this sphere, then the renderer becomes enabled and the mine is visible. The trigger is going to look for, the on-trigger enter, it's going to look for the tag of player, and it will only create an explosion and be destroyed if it runs into the player, or the player runs into it. So other enemies won't be affected, and bullets are not affected. So bullets actually just die right on the mine. So let's go over and check it out. And if I start down here on the screen at first, then you won't see any mines until they start coming down the screen. There's one. If I move up the screen, going back and forth, I'll find out where these guys are. So that's with a Y speed of 2, and they actually just get instantiated 1 per other group that comes out. So that's the timing, that's why they're all spaced evenly in Y. And that's basically it. So here's the explosion. I'll compare it to running into these other drones. Little ones there, and a big one there. So there you have it. Let me go over to the ship script really quick, or the wave first. So this just shows inside the update I instantiate a mine right at the end of that loop, and then in ship, right after I update the position according to the mouse, I just capture this ship position so that I can use it in other scripts as a static variable. That's it, pretty easy.